Hey guys, Ronald from Impress Computers, and today we have an overview of the Lenovo ThinkBook Plus. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Alrighty guys, this laptop comes equipped with the i5 Generation 10 processor. It does have 8 gigs of RAM on a single rank, but you can upgrade it to 16. That's the maximum that this laptop will take. In terms of the solid state drive, it is an NVMe 256 solid state, and you can upgrade it as big as you want pretty much. Now the machine comes with a hybrid situation when it comes to the touchscreen. As you can tell, you can actually use this as some kind of e-paper touchscreen feature, and there's a model that comes with the actual touchscreen in the front that you can also use it that way. The laptop has a backlit keyboard. That means you can turn it on and off, and it has also 2 USB ports. It's got an HDMI, and it also has an audio jack if you're going to use headphones and stuff like that. So that's pretty much it for the laptop. Alright guys, so one of the nice features about this laptop is the actual touchscreen in the front. This is nice to take notes and do stuff like that. It also comes with the stylus pen that it has a point touch, so as you draw, the harder you push into the pen on the screen, the thicker the actual image or the writing will look when you write down. And this also comes with a nice cover. So it's a pretty basic ThinkBook cover. You just pretty much open it up and then you just let it right in there, and it comes with the actual laptop purchase. So if you guys have any questions on this laptop, we will leave a link down below for you guys to check it out. So thank you so much for watching.